Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. The Essential PH-1, shooting this video 1080p 60 frames per second. Video is a little dark, but whenever I shoot in 1080p 60 frames per second with any of my smartphones, I'm sure you noticed this too, the video tends to be a little darker. They're working a little bit harder to give you a better visual experience. It's a smoother experience. So 60 frames per second should look pretty darn smooth, even though the video is going to look a bit dark. But you let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds. The Essential PH-1 back here with me. Second time around. I'm stoked, just gonna have fun. Just have an open mind with this device and enjoy it like a lot of you have been doing, especially those of you that got it on Amazon Prime Day. Wow, for right around 250 smacks, can't go wrong. How does it sound? Yeah, they're never going to fix that part of the road. It's just going to stay like that. Oh, man, that's the roughest part of my drive. Early in the morning, a lot of darkness out there. You got some street lights, neon lights, headlights, building lights. A lot of dark sky. I am doing a lot of homework right now on what I'm going to pick up next. Something new. This device was worth going backward as far as the price point and what I was getting, but whatever's next, it'll be new. I'm about done with the Google Pixel 3 XL. Leaks, rumors, all of that. October 9th, we'll find everything out about the Google Pixel devices that will be coming out. I'm done with all of that. What's real, what's not real. And yeah, it's not fun anymore. It's not fun anymore. Done with the ZTE Axon 9 Pro. Not gonna get what I wanted and what a lot of consumers wanted. It's too bad, and it's too bad that a lot of YouTubers are ignoring that conversation. Those YouTubers out there that have that specific device, they're just not talking about the speaker grills. They're just overshadowing that conversation and what the consumer wanted from ZTE, and what ZTE should have acknowledged with that device. And you know, they're talking about the heavy specs, and it's a heavy spec device. It's going to give you a lot. It looks just like everything else out there, but it's heavily spec'd. I give it credit. I mean, it should be really good when it comes to performance and functionality. We'll see. We'll be watching the reviews on that. The one thing I do like about that device is the wide-angle camera. It's not going to support a telephoto lens. It's going to support a wide-angle lens, which is I'd rather have than a telephoto lens, but that's just me. Again, it's going to have the latest and greatest as far as specs. 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, Axon Vision, RGB sensor. You'll be able to adjust the color temperature to your environment. I mean, that's all cool, you know, but it'll have dual speakers. It just won't have those amazing speaker grills the Axon 7 had. But again, the YouTubers that have this device aren't covering that conversation and I guess putting it out there for ZTE to see, hey man, you didn't really give the consumer what they wanted, and you're not bringing it to the United States, and that should have been available for the US for those that would want to pick it up. Just because I'm not going to doesn't mean that there are others that don't want to pick that up. and they should have the opportunity to pick up that device here within the United States, unless there's something more going on and why they can't bring it to the United States. But that's something that I'm not finding as far as information on what's going on with that issue in that area. So I don't know. A lot of confusion with all of that, but it is what it is, right? I don't want to talk anymore about it. So I don't know. OnePlus 6T possibility. Still waiting on the Razer Phone 2, the second gens. Waiting for more information on that. I know that Razer is in the works of creating that device. So who knows if we'll have it by the end of the year or early next year, but that one should be supporting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. So we'll see. Take another listen to some Kiss. Again, let me know how everything looks. What we're looking for is clarity, smoothness with the video quality. What we don't want, it doesn't have optical image stabilization, so we don't want a ton of shaking, focus hunting, flares, and that's not too bad. The Essential PH-1, 1080p, 60 frames per second. That's it. I just basically wanted to test the video out on the Essential, and whatever came to my head, I wanted to share with you. That's it, everybody. I'm out. God bless. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll be back.